Hi there, students. A no-win situation. Okay, no-win. This is a situation which nobody will have a happy and successful result. Whatever happens, the outcome is going to be bad. I'm not very fond of no-win situations. In a no-win situation, you try and find the least bad of all solutions. And unfortunately, there are many no-win situations in life. This is a situation in which there is no favorable outcome. So you may be confronted on a daily basis with no-win situations where, well, you're not going to have something that's going to please everybody. This no-win situation, it's not a good situation. It's certain to end in failure or disappointment, no matter what outcome happens. Notice as well this phrase "no win." I was thinking I've seen this phrase "no win, no fee," but this is different. This is something a lawyer might offer. A lawyer will offer to take your case, and you will only pay a commission, or you will only pay the lawyer if he wins your case. This is normally where somebody is suing somebody for money, is litigating to get money, and the lawyer offers his services on a no-win, no-fee basis. But this is very different. This is saying that they won't charge you if they don't win. So you've got nothing to lose, and that's definitely not a no-win situation for you. But a no-win situation, something that is certain to end in failure. There are no favorable outcomes. This is a bit like catch-22, where you're damned if you do and damned if you don't. So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what happens. There is going to be no success or victory for anyone. Personally, I consider war a no-win situation, because in war, I think at the end of the day, everybody loses. When people start fighting, that's the beginning of a no-win situation. It's something that will not benefit anybody in any way. Okay, so, well, a no-win situation. There are no favorable outcomes. There's no possibility. It's a policy that cannot lead to success, no matter what happens. Nobody's going to win. A no-win situation, particularly. This is a no-win deal. It's not something that is going to have a good outcome. Let's see, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but not something very formal. And the origin, well, clearly, no win. There is no win. There is no way to win. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. No win, a no-win situation.